Making southern cornbread today, and as you saw, we're gonna have the temperature of the oven at 500 degrees. In order to make good southern cornbread, you have to have a black iron frying pan and the best ingredients, which I think are white lily, buttermilk, self-rising flour, cornmeal, buttermilk, and no milk, plain milk won't work. Some oil and a couple of eggs and some salt. And I forgot to bring the salt shaker out, so I'll get that in just a second. So what we're gonna do first is put about a fourth of a cup, maybe a little less. I think actually a fourth of a cup's about right of oil in the pan. And then that goes in the oven until it's nice and hot. We'll pull it out and we'll put our cornbread in there, and I'll show you how to make that in just a minute. Okay kids, we're gonna do around 2 cups of flour, and normally I do not measure. So I am trying to do this for your sake, to give you the correct amounts of ingredients. I probably could have done this before I started the video, but hey, so around 2 cups of that. And then 5 or 6, 7, 8 things of salt. I don't have an exact measurement. 1 egg. And then I don't know the exact amount of buttermilk either, but I know it takes at least a cup, cup and a half, so we're gonna start with a cup. Mix it up good. You don't have to use one of these instruments, but if you have one, it works really well. Okay, so I can tell that's not enough. So we're gonna put at least a half a cup or more milk. And that's about the consistency you want, so about a cup and a half of buttermilk. The last step is to take the hot oil out of the pan in the oven. Make sure you use double mitts because 500 is really hot. And then we're going to pour the extra oil in here and leave a little bit in the pan, and then you immediately stick it in the oven. You do it that way because that sears the bottom of the bread and makes it nice and crunchy. So, just a minute, we'll do step 2. So we're going to pour this steaming hot oil. Be very careful. And you can hear it sizzling, and I left just a tiny bit in the bottom. So look at the difference and how this looks when you add the oil. You can also hear it sizzling in the pan. Now, depending on how much cornbread stuffing you want to make, which is what we're going to do later, you might need more than 1 pan of cornbread. So for a smaller family, this is more than enough. So next we're going to put it in the oven, and I'll let you know how long it took. You can see the top of it is brown, and if you want to double check, you can take a knife, stick in the middle, and if nothing comes out on it, your cornbread's done. Next is the hard part. You want to flip it over on your pan, and you want to put it in a sink of cold water because that will burn you up. And if you put some water in the sink, it'll keep from messing up your sink. And there is your beautiful cornbread. Love you.